Hey guys! So today we're going to start our cell activator additive experiments. I found some things that I really wanted to test out to see what it would do. I'd never seen anyone test them before, so I was really excited to do it. That kind of led to me testing a bunch of other things, so I've got a lot for you. So far I've tested 8 different additives and I have at least 4 more to go. I was originally going to put each set of additives together, but the videos were running really long, so I decided that I was going to go ahead and separate them out. My first group of videos that we're going to test are the ones that I found first. Recently my husband has gotten into tying flies. So we've been looking at different things for that. I found this floatant that you're supposed to put on your flies. I assume that they are silicone based. They don't actually have the ingredients list on them. But the purpose of them is to make your fly float on top of the water when you're fishing. So I have this is the first one that caught my eye. We saw it on another YouTube video. They were demonstrating what it actually does, and it's called Flyagra. This one it's YellowstoneFlyGoods.com as who makes it. So there's that one. And then I also tested this Hairline Dubbin Watershed. It's a permanent waterproofing liquid. And then these I think it's Gurk, maybe, George Gurk. But if you look up Gink, you'll be able to find it because that's what it's well known for. The other one is the same brand and it's called Zinc, but it's actually meant to make your flies sink. So I decided that I really wanted to test those out and see what they would do in the paints. So I went ahead and got those. But from there, I kind of went crazy and went to Home Depot and got a bunch of other things as well. So I've also got some tire shine and mineral oil and linseed oil, even some WD-40 that I've tested out. And the results are actually very interesting. I'm very happy with how everything's turning out. So I've also got all these ones that I've used before, but I haven't really done videos with them specifically. So I have my OGX hair serum that is my go-to cell activator with Floetrol. And then I also have some Rain-X and Super Lube silicone oil and then some 3-in-1 silicone oil as well. Those are the only things that I have so far that I know that I'm going to test, but at this point it could go a whole lot further. I'm not sure yet. But anyways, so that's where we're going to be going for the next foreseeable future. I want to go ahead and separate these videos out because they were just taking too long to combine all together. So each activator will get its own video, and then at the end of each set I will do a side-by-side with all the ones that we were going to test together. So that's the plan. Today is the video with the Flyagra. So I'll let you get to that and let me know what you think in the comments below. If you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe so you'll be up to date when all these new activators come out. I'll let you get to the video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Alright guys, let's get started. I decided to use primary colors in these experiments. I have cadmium yellow light hue, pyrrole red, and ultramarine blue. I'm also using a base color of titanium white. I have those mixed with a pouring medium mixture of about 90% Floetrol and 10% GAC 800. I mix the colors in pouring medium into large batches and split from there to keep everything consistent. In these pours, I'm adding 2 drops of each activator to every color except for the white base. In each pour, I will layer the colors in a separate cup and then flip that onto the canvas. I will use a torch to heat up the additives to help the cell formation and to pop any air bubbles that may be present. Since I wanted to have more control over where the cells went, I will be tilting these pours instead of my usual spinning. Now that you know the basic rundown of what to expect, sit back and watch the magic happen. If you guys have any recommendations of other additives you would like to see tested out, just let me know in the comments below.